Crime Branch has registered FIR against one Meena Pooja Gop and Arvind Gop for cheating a Mapsa resident to the tune of 8.5 lakh rupees on the pretext of providing job overseas. Crime Branch has also arrested accused Meena, and in the interrogation and further investigation, it has been revealed that total 12 persons have been cheated by these accused duo to the tune of approximately 28 lakh rupees. The victims were promised by the accused for getting job abroad, more particularly in Australia and New Zealand, but even after taking money, they did not provide any job to the complainant and other victims. This accused Meena is a Mapsa-based skin specialist.
मजगती परवरी पुलिशेन पूजा नायक, अजित सतरकार आणि अनिशा सतरकार ह्या तिगांय आड 113 पानांची चार्जशीट फायल केल्या. ह्या चार्जशीटात 6 साक्षीदारांची नांवां घातिल्ल्याचें कळटा. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.